Summer Camp, integrated program of cultural meet, technology day celebration, hands-on experiment, local weather report, local visit, industrial visit and miscellaneous programs organized by Baita High School under Mohanpur CLRC, Paschim Medinipur district. The SSM summer program was started with cultural meet and floral tribute to Rabindranath Tagore on 9th May. Total 350 students participated in this meet. On National Technology Day, a laboratory visit program was arranged with science model and robotics show. More than 300 students joined the program. On 16th May, nearly 600 students took part in local visit, hands-on experiment and cottage industrial visit. The cottage industry of Baita Bazar is based on some plant wastes and so many designed decoration items are prepared. These products are exported to Middle East and European countries. They observed activities of Gramin Bank and Sub Post Office. Students were grouped and headed by escort teachers. A village temple of Lord Jagannath is assumed to have a history of at least 400 years. Another temple of Lord Shiva is visited by innumerable pilgrims regularly.
जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे.
Students were enriched with some hands-on experiment on physical science, life science and took reading from local weather station. All these experiments were done beneath the tree in an open environment. All the participants along with their guide teachers enjoyed the whole program. We expect such programs will be arranged regularly by the Sarva Mission and the school authority will cooperate in all sense. Thank you.